In this video, let us see how to make a API request to retrieve more information about the components that were merged through a API call with merge request object. This is the merge request object. We need to provide the merge request ID as a parameter and perform a HTTP GET action on this particular URL. Here, account ID is the platform account ID where the merge happened, and the merge request ID is nothing but the ID of the merge request. And in the response, there will be change type parameter which indicates whether the component is added, modified, or deleted. The other parameter is resolution parameter, where resolution parameter indicates if there is a conflict, which version of the component has taken priority. If it is override, it indicates source branch version has taken the priority. If it is keep destination, then destination branch version has taken priority. This is a sample request with get action. So the response for this sample request, you can see here where we can see two components were merged. One component, the change type is modified. Conflict is true, which indicates there is a conflict while merging the component, and the resolution is keep destination, which indicates the destination branch version took the priority. The other component, change type is deleted, and the conflict is false, which indicates there is no conflict while merging this component. In the same way, whenever we provide the merge request ID, it will list all the components that were merged during that particular merge request. Hope this helps. Thank you.